families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fine feathered friends are going to show us their amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, the question is, are you ready to be amazed with our fine feathered friends? Alright, to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Ian, to welcome our blue and gold macaw named Amigo. Now, Amigo originates from South America and he inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. He is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now, first, to pick up the plastic cup. What's the next thing to do, buddy? Alright, he walks all the way. Open the bin and drop it inside. Next one, buddy. He pick up the can and open the bin and drop it inside. Last one, buddy. He pick up the crumpled paper. He walks all the way. Open the bin and drop it inside. See, if the bird can do it, why can't we? Right? Always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now, Amigo, together with his fine feathered friends, has something to tell us. Welcome to Cebu Safaris Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle in South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and we will just wait for Carl. And Carl. And macaws are adaptive, meaning when they surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. And for their diets, they love to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. There are more than 400 parrot species globally, and blue and gold macaws rank as the 3rd largest parrot. Now guys, do you want to stay with me here? We want to go outside and get more food now. I think they'll have to stay with me. See? A round of applause for our flying macaws. Now for the next bird, he is very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? Jumbo! Louder everyone, say Jumbo! There you are, buddy. So here's your canoeing macaw named Jumbo. Now, buddy, can you wave to the crowd? Hi. Now, everyone, can you wave back to Jumbo and say hello? Hi, everyone. So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can reach up to 3 feet from head to tail, with a tail of 2 feet. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn, everybody? Alright. Last one, buddy. Good bird. And as you can see, most of their colors is outside of their bodies and less color is under their wings. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Let's everyone say wings. So macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. So they use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. Ian here is our groundnut. He will place it into the plastic basket and let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. Look everyone, he carefully from the plastic basket and gets his reward. Now we're using reward system to recompense the intelligence and effort of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, the Jumbo is very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Well, that's because Jumbo have to go to school, to the word school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo. So we will be having the spelling test first. So we have here 4 animal pictures: the horse, the zebra, the snake, and the camel. Just choose one animal picture. What would you choose? Alright, here's some camel. So let's have camel in the ceremony. Well, Mr. James is preparing for the Jumbo letter. So let's have a short interview with Mr. Ian about Jumbo. Hi Mr. Ian, how are you today?
Fine.
That's good to hear, Mr. Ian. Now, Mr. Ian, for the first question, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess they love to stay here in the Philippines, right? Alright, I think we're all set. Ready? Take a good look at the picture and what is the spelling of camel? Alright? So you pick up the letter C. Alright, ready? And you pick up the letter E. Alright, ready? What's the next? Is it E, M, or D? So think it. What is it, buddy? And you pick up the letter M. Nice one, buddy. What's the next one? You pick up the letter E. Nice one, buddy. For the last one. What is it? Is it L? And you pick up the letter L. So camel spells C-A-M-E-L. Is it correct? Alright, now it seems to be too easy for Jumbo. So let's make it more difficult. So we will be having the mathematical test in addition form. Now everyone, can you give me two numbers between 1 to 10? How about this side, that side? Okay, let's have some 6. How about this side? Okay, let's have some 4. 6 plus 4. Alright, buddy, what is 6 plus 4? I know answers so easy. Now, don't worry, so we will ask another question about Jumbo with Mr. Ian. Now, Mr. Ian, I'm curious about what are Jumbo's favorite foods?
Regular seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
The Jumbo loves to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. And Mr. Ian, I'm curious about where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
So Jumbo studied at the University of Cebu Safari, everyone. Alright, I think we're all set. What is 6 plus 4, buddy? Okay. Now you pick up the number 1. Nice one, buddy. Last one. You pick up that number 0. So 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Is it correct? Alright, so a round of applause for Vinny McConney, Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need volunteers. 1 kid and 1 adult volunteer. Just raise your hands and wait for our staff to approach you. We have here at Tikaya, our volunteer staff. Just raise your hand and wait for our staff to approach you. Okay, we already have the kid volunteer. Now for the adult volunteers. Okay, just remove the glasses lang, ma'am. Okay, follow the instructions of our staff. Hold like this, ma'am. Stay here, okay. Now for the kid volunteer, are you ready? Hi, are you ready? Alright, please be ready, stand still. As I want you to meet to our kid and Fluffy, send them your names. Buddy. So Sanguineer is our medium-sized bird. It has a golden plumage from head down to its southern part and green wings.